just got my car wash. Guys, I left my house without my camera. And I'm gonna go get some coffee actually from Verve, just a little latte. I have to kill 15 minutes because I went to Target and they were like, girl, we're only open for pregnant people and old people. So I didn't know that. It's a Monday. I thought that was a weekend thing. So I have 15 minutes anyway. So might as well, I don't know, can I order outside? Because I don't go anywhere besides Target and Trader Joe's. So I don't know how this works, but I got my mask and let's get a little coffee.
Extra internet experience.
So I have like 10 minutes before Target opens. So I'm just gonna chill here outside of Verve. Basic almond milk latte. Guys, this is my first coffee out all of Rona season. I tell you, I've been saving all of my money just making coffees and lattes at home. You guys know I'm super simple, so there's really no need for me to get coffees out when honestly I love my coffees at home that I make myself. So it's worth it to invest in like an espresso if you like espresso and stuff like that. But we'll see how this is. Oh, she's good. $7 latte? This can't justify it. Do you know what I could get for $7? A whole Chipotle meal. Maybe with guac. But the guy was super nice. He was like, I love your plates. I was like, thank you. Sometimes people just don't understand. It takes a while to click in. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna just head over to Target right now and then get the things that I need. I have to run to the post office today to ship out your orders for the candle sales, so thank you guys. Can you even see me? Hey, good morning, you guys. I have been out. I left the camera here and I got a car wash this morning, ran to Target, and then I went out and got an iced latte that honestly was not worth the $7 that I paid for it. Why did it sound like a demon the way that I said that? But I'm gonna go drop off your orders at the post office. Did a restock on the candles, you guys. We're having a new moon, I believe August 18th. Let me double check. I'm not sure when this video is going to go out because it's a week in my life, but that is next week. So hopefully I'll get this up in time so that you guys have enough time to order your candles just in time to manifest, you guys. So I'm gonna drop those off and then I'm gonna go straight to the park to do my cardio for today, and then I'm gonna shower, come back, do my makeup, and then I have plans to film 3 videos for this week. So it's a content day, but priorities, right? So I have to get my workout done in the morning because I like to work out on an empty stomach. And I just feel like it would be pointless to start work now, do my makeup, and then have to, you know, wash all that off and then do a workout and then shower again. Like that just is doing too much. So this is my bag that I always pack to get my stuff ready, like my pre-workout, my headphones. I have my fanny pack that I bring with me, and I need to get my water bottle and something else, sunscreen obviously. But I'm wearing my Amazon shorts, have the black ones on today. Got this little crop top on and then a black sports bra underneath. I don't really want to sweat my hair, so hopefully this shirt will be a good barrier. I know it's kind of hot outside, but that's also why I want to go before it gets too late in the day. Like I don't like to go when it's too hot, you know what I mean? So let me get my stuff together and then I'll see you guys in the Jeep because I don't want to be out here procrastinating. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Wow, you are so lazy. Come here. Look at this boy. He needs a bath. Ooh. Say hi, vlog. Say hello to the vlog. They haven't seen your face in a while. Say hello, vlog. My birthday is in 2 weeks and I'm still on my shred. I've actually finished my own 30-day shred, but I'm continuing on with consistent workouts and doing the same workouts just whenever I want, not on a specific day, because I want to be shredded for my birthday. And I don't even know what I'm doing for my birthday. Like I might even be home by myself on my birthday, but like there's a chance that something might happen. I might plan something last minute. You know how me and Bev are, you know, she's always freaking down to do something. So I don't know, like if there's a chance that I do something for my birthday, at least I'll feel good and I know that I put in a lot of hard work and dedication, and then I can start getting thick after my birthday, you know, like get thick during fall and winter time. And I think that's just the plan for now. But I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna listen to right now, and then where did I put that mix? Yes, I still use SoundCloud. Yes, it's lit. The exclusives are all on here.
Way out, break out, sunsets, factory. Way out, look at you like you got the summertime love. I work for your heart all night till the dawn. You stay when they switch stores. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like a getaway. You and me. You like the summertime love. You like the summertime love. You wanna be somebody. Want us to believe that you somebody to see. Searching for a feeling. And you would give up anything just to show us you had it. All she wanna do is talk fashion. Make a couple mil off passion. House on a hill, live lavish. Lavish. Rolling, rolling. Rolling with my hitters on the west side. Only got $1 in the drink. Pull up with your shawties, want the spotlight. Lights, camera, action, make us sing. Don't hit me crying from your bedside, cause you in love with the finer things. Don't hit me crying from your bedside, please. I can't give you the world, but I can't give you my heart. I can't give you the world, but I hope this is a start. You mean the world to me. You mean the world to me.
What's good, you guys? It's a new day. I just heated up my meal prep, finished up a workout today, so I'm super pumped about that. I really want to take my hair out today. I've had it in for 5 days. I really just want to get in there and like scrub my scalp. Your girl works out a lot, I sweat a lot, and there's just a lot of just buildup in my hair, and I'm the type of person that loves to get in there and scrub my scalp, do some conditioning. So I've had this in for 5 days already, and let me just say it has been such a blessing not having to wake up and figure out what I'm gonna do with my hair, not having to throw it up in a bun or brush it. So for a protective style, it did its job for sure. Got to try out something completely different than my normal look, and then also too, I learned how to actually do the hairstyle. So it definitely served its purpose this week, and it is very long, so when I go hiking, it's just like dragging on my back sweat. It's just, it's not it for me. But it was cute. It was cute while it lasted. Who knows, I might do this again another time, but for now, it just is not working for my workout schedule. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna take it out tonight, because I really want to go in and do a deep conditioning mask, and then I also made a new batch of rice water, so that'll be ready for me to use tomorrow. If you want to know all about rice water, why I love it, why I use it, how you can make it, I did a whole video on that, and it's like amazing for hair growth, and it's a great protein treatment. So I'll drop a link down below or in the cards if I remember, so you guys can check that out. So I just really want to do some TLC to my hair and rejuvenate it, scrub it, get in there, you feel me? Got some food ready to go post-workout. I'm feeling good, you guys. We're staying hydrated, and that's really all you can ask for these days. I have a few pimps that I popped this morning, so I just do not feel like trying to do sit-down style videos, which I have plans on, so I'm gonna wait for those to clear up. But in the meantime, if you guys are looking for fitness inspiration, maybe you're out here trying to clean up your diet, you want to learn how to meal prep at home, you want some easy, simple recipes, I have 20+ recipes up for you guys in my fit guide. So I'll drop the link down below up on my Etsy. It's an instant PDF download. It's just a great structured way to have healthy options that you can incorporate within your daily routine. I also made you guys a printable meal planner so you can write out the meals that you're going to have and it's super handy if you need to go to the market. All the ingredients for all my recipes you can use for multiple things, so it's a great bang for your buck. Lazy girl guide to meal prepping and eating healthy on a budget and just simplifying your entire lifestyle. It's been my way of eating for a couple of years now. Simple, delicious, tasty, pretty looking recipes. When you present it, it looks like you went out and got it at a bougie LA cafe. So check that out if you guys are out here trying to get fit with me. I'm feeling so good these days, and to be honest, the gains are coming through. Is a cheat meal type of day, you guys. I'm actually chilling. I need to take some time for me. So your girl ordered from Domino's, you guys. This is what I ordered. They actually called, which I appreciated, to confirm that I asked for no cheese. I did my order online, so I really appreciate that. There have been times when I have ordered pizzas online and they've come with cheese all over it, and there was nothing that they could do because I ordered it through Postmates. But this is what I got. Their thin crust pizza with regular tomato sauce. I love pepperoni, I love bacon, so that's what I get for meat. And then veggies, it always changes for me. Today I was craving olives, onions, and mushrooms. Probably not the most common toppings, but for me, this is what I love. And I wanted something that was crisp, and I remembered I used to love Domino's thin crust. So I haven't had this in years, you guys. And then I realized online they have some sauce options. So I got the garlic. This is like $1 extra. What's cool is it's oil-based, so it does have soy, but it is dairy-free. So I'm gonna go in and enjoy my pizza. I worked out really hard this week, so I'm gonna treat myself to this pizza. Oh my god. Wow. I've missed their crust so much.
Only got $1 in the drink. Pull up with your shawties, want the spotlight. Lights, camera, action, make a sing. Don't hit me crying from your bedside.